Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be teaching you part 2 of this platformer series. Now let's get started. Alright, so we have some problems. So the first thing is that when you play the game and you jump, the thing goes through. And the other problem is when you put a wall like this, it can literally just like jump up in the air, and it kind of lagged a little bit. So we need to fix this problem. So go to the player, and then we're going to we need to say instead of this statement here, just remove this and take this out for now. And then I'm going to put this right here. And then once we do that, put another statement like this. And then now we need to say that statement twice. Then we need to say repeat ceiling. So ceiling of abs of x or ceiling of abs of x velocity. Then we need to say change x by abs of x velocity divided by x velocity times -1. And then I'm pretty sure this fixes the issue for our thing. So let me put this back here. And okay, so now I've gone through. So let me put this back here. Okay, now let's test it. Okay, as you can see, it's moving, but this is happening. So now we need to fix this problem. So we're going to put another if statement right inside of here. I'm going to duplicate this and put this here. So let me just, pretty sure it's not working because we're touching the ground. So let me put this up here. Okay, now it is going to work. So when I do this, I mean, it's still kind of failed there, but so we need to put so the reason it's not working is we need to put a set x velocity to 0 to remove this and put this here. Then once we do that, let's duplicate this and then put this right here and put this right here. And I'm going to change this one to y velocity, this one to y velocity, this one to y velocity. Then I'm going to change this, put this here like so, and then set, well, we don't need this one. So then once we do that, we're going to put an else statement in this one. So here I'm going to put if touching ground, then put this here, and then put this here, right here. And then I'm going to put a change y velocity by -1. And then remove this one here. And put this one here, like that. And then we need to do. Now we need to make something different. So I'm going to say here, I'm going to say right here, if ab, so abs of x velocity divided by x velocity equal -1, and key up arrow pressed, so and statement. Then set y velocity to 16, otherwise set x to 16. So let me take this out. Now, as you can see, it means getting stuck, so I think there's something wrong. Yeah. Need to say so we need to say here instead of this one, put this here, and then put this here. So that's why it's not working. Now put this here, and it should work. Let me test. As you can see, now it works. So yeah, that was the tutorial on part 2 of this series where I fixed the bugs in this game. So now the thing is that it's not jumping. So like it doesn't allow you to jump underneath. So let's fix this. We need to change this to y velocity, and now it works. So yeah, that was part 2 of this series. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to give a like. Also, if there is a red subscribe button, make it great, and I'll see you guys next time. Gotta catch 'em all.